When I worked as a cabinet maker, we used to take our old tape measures and snap them off into small pieces that we used to call stubbies. And they were great for making short measurements. So if you have an old tape measure, here's one you can see the hook is busted off and it's got rust on the back. What you want to do is extend it out past maybe like the 10 or 12 foot mark. What you'll find is the tape will be really clean and almost brand new. There you go, look at that. I don't think this section of the tape has even seen the light of day. So what you want to do is extend it out and just bend it. If you bend it and pinch it, you see it'll just snap. There you go. Wow, that's a pretty strong spring. So now you can just take and snap it off as you need to. I usually make them about 8 to 10 inches long. You bring it over to the bench grinder, grind it really precisely, right down to the 1-inch graduation. I use it at the table saw all the time. It's great for setting the saw fence, or it's really great for measuring the blade height, right? So you can really accurately get the blade exactly where you need it. So now you've got this really handy measuring tool, and your old tape measure has lived to measure another day.